Oh my God. Hold on.
I honestly should not be doing this video sounding like this, but I can't wait. You know, I have a client here today that really needs a wax, and it is a male, and I don't, want to turn my male clients down because they might end up changing their mind, and we want our men to take care of themselves. That's why I push towards 100% unisex, and every new male client gets $10 off each service here at Superstarspa Services. What's going on, Superstars? Hey, Superstars, how are you? Superstars, greetings to the world. I'm your Superstar coach, and we got some new products we need to get into, so let's get into it. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. My thing is this. If you don't do anything else, exfoliate, 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 exfoliate. I don't care if you don't shave. If you natural, like me, I get natural sometimes. My man, he loves it. It makes him feel like I'm Tarzana. Okay? Oil mix and then a hint of turmeric. Take that, mix it all up, and just kind of exfoliate up, down, all around. Okay? So let's get into the wax. Let's get into this. What are these? We have a pre-wax and we have an after wax. You know me, I love my coconut oil, so we definitely will incorporate coconut oil in everything here. It's good, but it's hot. Oh. Okay. What is wrong with that chair? I'm sorry, 40 millimeters. Okay, so we did 1 cup of 40 milliliters. Oh wow, I stuck to the whoopsies. Then we're gonna do 30 milliliters. It's gonna be wax beads all over his house. I hope my dog doesn't get to it. Green up, leave it alone. Okay, so not only are we doing the chest, but we're doing the stomach as well. Hey Superstars, this is the Superstar Coach, and we are here at Superstarspa Services. So let's get started. Today we will be doing a wax. Here at this location, we're very, very excited. And we want to show them that men can take care of themselves too and not be feminine. Men can take care of themselves and be smooth, smooth, smooth. So, let's get into it. Perfect. Pre-wax. Okay? I'm just gonna spray over the area on the chest first, and then we'll spray some on the other when we get there. Okay, this might be a little bit cold. I'm sorry. Clean here. Okay, you ready?
No, I'm not actually. I'm not ready.
Okay. We'll press it down real deep to make sure it got those stubborn little hairs.
Oh.
Wow, look at that. Okay, ready?
No, I'm not ready.
1,
No.
2.
Oh.
I think this method is actually better because it doesn't hurt as much.
What?
No offense, sir. Okay. So now we're just gonna clean up our mess a little bit. You ready?
No.
Make sure that it's nice and penetrated into those measly little knots, right? Start from the bottom. Start from the bottom over here.
Oh. 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 Ah!
Ooh, look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh, look at that. It's all there.
Some of my skin, huh? Some of my skin's here too.
No, darling.
Ugh. Ugh.
On the wrist to make sure it's not too hot. Okay. So that's it. There's much more finer than mine. It's very silky like, very thin. Looking good. Looking good, looking good.